Hello, welcome to 101 Blockchain's course, Crypto Fundamentals, Trading and Investing. I am the instructor for the course, and my name is Joe Duncan. The course is composed of 4 modules. Module 1, Bitcoin Fundamentals, where we will hear from the pseudonymous inventor of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Module 2, Competing Blockchain, we'll learn about the alternatives to Bitcoin. Module 3, Cryptocurrency Trading, where we will learn about the tactics and ways to implement trades in relatively liquid token markets. And Module 4, Investing in Blockchain, will take a longer term view of investments in investments where tokens may not even exist yet. The course is for you if you want to develop an in-depth understanding of crypto fundamentals, learn about evaluation and trading strategies, identify the best practices for accessing and trading crypto tokens, and build expertise in structuring and analyzing private blockchain investments. Who should take this course? Cryptocurrency traders and blockchain fund investors, people who are interested in learning about crypto and blockchain-based assets, blockchain professionals and crypto enthusiasts, cryptocurrency investment research analysts. A little bit more about me. As I said, my name is Joe Duncan. I'm a blockchain author, influencer, and investor. I currently teach blockchain at universities, including Columbia in New York City. In March 2020, I published the book Blockchain Investor Manual, the complete guide to blockchain fundamentals, trading, and investing. Prior to dedicating my career to blockchain, I was a trader on derivatives desks in Wall Street at banks including Citibank and Morgan Stanley. I'm an influencer with more than 30,000 followers on social media who I stay in touch with frequent posts of my views and analysis. In addition, I appear on panels and television programs discussing blockchain.